Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. So I am going to teach you guys all about the Taurus vibes and how to get them. I'm a Taurus ascendant and I just wanted to show you guys some hair, makeup, and an outfit that I think just completely encompasses the Taurus energy. So yeah, this is the makeup look I'm going to teach you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just jump right in. So I am starting with the Porefessional primer just to get a nice, clear, even base. And I was doing a little bit of a jam sesh because I was listening to Lana Del Rey and like, what else are you going to do during that? So I am starting with the Infallible Foundation Pro Glow in the shade 201 just to get a nice little bit of coverage. It's a pretty nice light to medium coverage foundation, which I feel like is very Taurus. I feel like Taurus doesn't want anything too crazy or too high maintenance, just something easy and reliable. And I'm just going to conceal with this Morphe concealer just to kind of brighten any under eye dark circles and highlight any areas that we want to be highlighted. I really do hope that you guys are jamming out to the lo-fi hip-hop beats with me right now because I feel like Taurus energy is just like personified lo-fi hip-hop beats. So I'm taking this Rimmel Insta-countour stick that I found actually in my new drugstore makeup video, and yeah, that's a lot of contour. But we're gonna just blend it out and everything will be okay. And of course, again, we jammin' because you can't not jam when you're getting ready. So I'm just putting some contour under, some concealer under the contour just to brighten it up. As I said, it was a little bit more contour than I needed, but guess what? We're going in with even more because that's who I am as a person. So I really just wanted this Taurus look to be very like chiseled because I feel like Tauruses always have like great bone structure. So I was like, let's get that. I'm also using this Lancome eyebrow brush. I don't vibe the like bristle brush on the end of it, but the pencil itself is super small, so you can really draw in those small brush strokes, which I think is really good because I feel like Taurus has like super embracing the bushy brow trend. So once the brow shape is good, we're going in with this brown Maybelline mascara. It works so good for a brow gel. And yeah, we're going in also with this Pretty Vulgar blush. And as a trend of today, I apply way too much. Pero, like, we're going to fix it. So if you ever find yourself in my same spot, literally just take your beauty blender or whatever you're using and just pet it out. I like got crazy, guys. I was like, let's try out for the first time ever this faux freckles trend. And I've always wanted to, but it really felt right for the Taurus look. I don't know, it just really felt like it was meant to be for Taurus. And honestly, I think I did pretty good for my first time. I just used the same brow pencil and then a brown eyeliner, and not bad, I think. So we're just taking our Morphe concealer and using that to prime our eyes. Guys, This palette literally screams Taurus, does it not? So we're taking the shade Diva with just a fluffy brush, putting that all over our lid and a little bit into the crease and just blending it out. And I'm just using a clean fluffy brush to really get the blending nicely. I'm just going to tightline my eyes with a black pencil, and then I'm going in with an angled brush into the shade Temptress, which is just a dark brown, and basically doing like the foxy eyes thing, just doing a little bit of liner and flaring it out. I'm also using this Laura Mercier cream bronzy eyeshadow just to give it a pop, and then going in with this Appeal gel liner in the shade Forest Green on the waterline. And now we're just going to go in with the shade Star, which is just a nice green, earthy green color, and we're just going to blend that on the lower lash line just to kind of smoke it out a tad and just make it nicer. And we're also curling the lashes, and we're going to pop on, guys, this mascara. It is the Tarte, what is it called? Big Ego, and I literally have had it for like a month and never used it, but you guys will see what it does for my lashes. Really, really nice. So now we're going in with this Dirty Little Secret pale pink lip liner and just going to overline our lips a little bit. And I'm using the Give Me Mocha lipstick by Wet n Wild. So I'm about to use a brush, and I know some of you guys are going to be like, yo, why are you using a brush? There's a brush in it. But I wanted it to have a really like diffused, like supernatural look. And so if I would have put it like on with the brush it came with, the applicator, it would have been way too pigmented and like matte. But I just really wanted a very nice, just like chill, very natural. And so this is a really good technique to use anytime you want to tone down a lipstick. So now onto the hair. I am just parting my hair down the middle, and as you guys can see, I like actually suck at doing that, which is really impressive, but it's not super important. I don't feel like I need to be super particular for this look. And I am taking about 1.5 inches of hair, just my bangs and like whatever I want to hang out in front, and putting that to the front and putting everything else to the back, kind of like a ponytail. And I'm now going to grab this bandana and carefully tie it around the back, the nape of my neck. And I just like take my time on this because I really do not want to tie any of my hair into it. So it's going to take a lot longer than need be, but we cut through that. Okay, so now I just adjust it and make it look good for what I like, and that's totally up to you. It's all about your style, but that's as simple as it is. Super, super simple hairstyle. And now we're just moving on to the outfit, and I will let you guys just vibe with the outfit I chose.
Do this. I screamed!
Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for supporting my weird, crazy self. I love you all so, so much, and I'm so thankful to have you all on my channel and in my life. And as always, if you're new here, feel free to join the family. Love you all, and I will see you guys next time.